I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video because you want to know how to recover your Xbox account. Alright, so this is the fastest method if you want to recover your Xbox account. You want to type in Xbox forgot password and enter. Now you want to click how to reset your Microsoft account, and you want to wait till it loads up, and you want to click go to recover your account. Now all you have to do is type in your email address that your Xbox account is linked to, and it will automatically send you instructions to reset your password. So that is the fastest method. So what you must do is go to a browser. A browser does not matter. Once you're on the browser, you need to type in Xbox customer service and click enter. Once you get to this, you want to tap customer support. Alright, so once the page loads, you want to scroll down until you see choose a category. You want to choose Xbox One because I know most of the people at least have an Xbox One. You want to scroll down one more time and you want to go to ask a question. Okay, now it's going to open this page. You want it to enlarge the page. Alright, now it says hello, and you want to tell them that you need to reset your Xbox password and click enter. Alright, now it says which one did you mean? Troubleshoot, Microsoft account recovery, reset Microsoft account password, and you just want to choose Microsoft account recovery form. Now it says, did you set up two-step verification for your Microsoft account? Did you set it up? Yes or no? Or you can just put I don't know if you don't know. Okay. Now it says here are some tips that might help you recover your account, but we're gonna just leave that alone for right now. Do you want to continue with account recovery now? You say yes because you want to do it right now. Alright, now it says there are other tips that may help you depending on the devices and services you use. And you don't want to choose this option right here. You want to choose I use Outlook or Hotmail. Alright, now it's going to show you this right here. And now you want to choose skip these tips and recover account now because you want to do it right now. And it says to protect everyone's privacy, our support agent can't see your account details or unlock accounts. Only you can recover your account, but that does not matter. You will still recover your account. And now it says recover your account. You want to click this right here. Alright, so now you want to enter your details such as your email, your phone, or any other details that you have, and you want to scroll down until you see contact email address. You want to make sure you have an email address that they can contact you from. Let's say that you can actually create a new email address if you don't have an extra one. As long as you have your serial code still on your Xbox, you will be able to recover your Xbox account. Because you see, most people don't know this, but if you still have the Xbox that you created the original account from, you still can recover it no matter what. And you want to scroll down until you see the characters, and you want to enter the correct characters. And now you want to click next, and then it should send an email to your address, whatever email address you entered, and you can automatically send them the serial number, and you will be able to recover your account easily, just like that. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell, and we'll be back to show you how.